and welcome to our special feature, ZingHR presents Purpose-Driven HR for Business Outcomation, partnered by ETNow.
I think these days people look at human resources as a bunch of resourceful humans. Like people who can stand up for them, people who can make the difference.
In a scalable organization or a global organization, to get those pivots in about when I need to tweak or initiate a certain feeling to help the person realize that yes, the company cares for me at this stage.
If your manager actually helps you drive that share, this combination is really where it hums together. Your manager also works as a connect with the other teams which are doing that, and that's the way it will move up.
Technology is not the purpose. People forget that it's just a means. But if the purpose is to hire in the shortest time the right person who's going to be successful, then the means could be anything.
Catch the special feature series only on ETNow.